everybody. Many students come and ask me, sir, I want to make career in computers, so what should I learn? See, in computers you can make career in three areas. One is software development, second is hardware and networking, third is as a DBA, database administrator. In this lecture, I will just focus on how to make career in software development. If you want to make career in software development, you have to master in three topics. First is a programming language, a simple programming language, OOPS-oriented programming language, that is Java. Second is a mastery in a web development framework, which can be any one of these three, PHP, JSP or .NET. And the third, the most important topic that you have to master is Android app development. The first question is, sir, why Java? See, first up, if you haven't done any programming language, Java is the best way to learn. Whenever you will learn Java, you will be taught how to make small programs through for loop, while loop, conditional branching, arrays and all. Then gradually you will be taken into GUI development, graphical user interface development, that is through Java Swing, where you can make applications which can be used through mouse, that is through graphical means. And the best part that you will be taught is that you will be taught how to use a database at the back end. Preferably MySQL is used, preferably, because being the open source and very lightweight. What happens, see, whatever application you make, you need a database to store data. If you are making any employee form or you are making any stock inventory control system, whatever, you need to store data into the database, fetch data, search it, delete it, update it. In the description, you will find the link of my Java modules where I teach how to insert data into the database through Java, how to search data through Java, how to access data from database through Java. These are the links that you can use to learn Java properly. Second topic that you need to learn is web development framework. See, every person, every organization, every business firm wants to show their presence on the net. So you can develop website in any of these three topics, PHP, JSP and .NET. PHP being the open source, the mass community is working onto it. They develop classes, they add functions every day. So PHP is very widely used. JSP is also open source, it's a product of Sun. And .NET is the product of Microsoft. So you can master any of these three. Develop a website, upload it, and you will gain confidence. And you will learn how the people are doing business online. Third is Android app development. See, people are switching to small screens. So you need to know how Android apps are made. To create Android apps, you have to learn and master one IDE, Android Studio. Initially, you start with the small applications, how to interact with the user, how to take some data from the user, how to display welcome messages. Then you move on to how you can move from one screen to another. In Android, one screen is known as activity. So you learn how you can navigate from one activity to another. And also you must learn how to use the sensors of the devices like compass, gyrometer and whatever it is. You must also learn to use Google Maps API in your Android applications. You must have seen the applications that are very popular to display the routes between two locations, to show the hotels nearby or to show the hospitals nearby. So these applications uses Google Maps. So this is what I want to say. Master these three topics and you can easily make your career in software development. All the best.